Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make digital collage in Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in collage. After you have done that, you can see that you now have access to over 20,000 different templates. So you can go through and you can select whichever one of these templates you would like to use. And one of the beautiful things about Canva is with these templates, you'll be able to create a professional looking photo collage in no time. So you can see the different options, so you can select whichever one of them best suits you. Let's say, for example, we were to select this one. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Customize this template. Once you have selected Customize this template, from here you can drag and place your images. So for example, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Uploads, then tap on Upload Files, and then you can upload your images or your videos. Once you have done that, you can drag and replace the current photos that are there, as you can see right there. That's all you would need to do. And if it is a case that you would like to create a second page, you can tap on Add Page at the bottom right here. Then go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you could tap on Elements. After selecting Elements, you could type in Frame. So you could type in Frame right here. Then you will tap on Enter. Then right where you see Frames, you're going to tap on See All. After you have tapped on See All, from here you can see different frames that you can choose from. Or you could, another thing that you could also do is you could type in Grid and you could select Photo Grid. After selecting Photo Grid, from there you could tap on See All and you can see the different grids that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these grids to your liking. Let's say, for example's sake, I were to select this one. You can tap on it right there. Then you'll simply pull it to your liking. As you can see right there, you could do that one. I don't like that one. You could use this one also, or this one. This one looks cool. I could add this one. So you can adjust it to your liking right here. After you have adjusted it to your liking, you can add the images. So we could go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and we can drag and place the images as you can see right there. So you can add different grids to your liking, and again you can tap on Elements, and from there you can search for different copyright-free items or so on. And again, if you would like to get access to photo frame, you could type in photo right here, and then you can see the option photo collage. You could tap right there and you can see the different frames. So we can tap on frames once more. Then you could scroll down and any one of these styles you can select. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. After selecting share, you have a few options. You can either tap on download and you'll be able to download it as a PNG file, or if you would like to create a template link, you can do that. So by creating a template link, you'll be able to share it with others and they'll be able to upload their images also. So you have a few options on how you can choose to save it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.